Today, I'm going to show you my quick and easy method to make gold sea moss gel and sea moss water. Plus, I'll be comparing sea moss gel from 2 different online companies. Stick around. Hey, I'm Timotha, Lanae, indie artist, health enthusiast, and a mom. And on this channel, I share me and my family's journey to better health via detox, alkaline eating, and herbs. So if you want to learn more about alkaline living and how you can detox to support your body while it heals, make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. I post new videos every week. Before we jump into how to make gold sea moss gel quick and easy, I wanted to mention to make sure you watch the 2 previous videos in this mini series. I compare sea moss from 3 online companies, 2 of which are real or wildcrafted high quality sea moss and 1 that is farmed lower quality sea moss. This video is really helpful because I compare them side by side up close so that you can really see what to look for when purchasing your sea moss, and also watch last week's video where I share how to properly wash and soak your sea moss so that you get the most out of your sea moss gel when you make it. I will link to both of these videos in the description box below so that you can check them out after this video. And please do click the like button if you are as excited as I am to get into how to make this sea moss gel and sea moss water. And if you've been getting value out of these videos, when you like the video, it really helps the channel. So thank you in advance. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to make some gold sea moss gel using, this is Derek product, and then I'm also going to make gold sea moss gel using my Fruits and Roots soaked sea moss. I'll start with the Derek product sea moss. It's been soaking overnight, and if you've seen any of my videos, you know that I say always keep your sea moss water. I like to get this big mason jar to put my water in. So you can, if you'd like, remove this sea moss and rinse it one more time, but mine has been thoroughly washed, so I'm not going to rinse it again. I'm just going to take it and put it into my VITAMIX blender and get ready to blend it up. It was 2 ounces dried sea moss, and now I'm about to make it into sea moss gel. I'm just going to take this kind of like spaghetti. Whoa, oh my goodness, this is so much. So I'll probably freeze some of this gel because it's going to make so much. You probably only really need to soak 1 ounce of sea moss for your household. It depends on how many people are using the gel. And everybody in my house uses it. But 2 ounces is a lot. So you see, it fills this up. And because there's so much water already in it, I'm not even going to use that much of this water. But you do want to pour some of the sea moss water in. You could also just add fresh spring water, but a lot of the minerals will be in this water. I'm actually going to do less water than that because I can tell there's so much water in the actual sea moss. I'll pour a little bit back. I'm just going to start like this because I like to use my gel for a mask, face mask, so I don't want it to be too watery. And I'm going to set that water aside because I'm going to use that for skin toner, and you can use it to water plants. If you haven't watched my video, 20 unique ways to use sea moss, I share lots of ways that you can use sea moss water and ways that you can use sea moss gel. Now that I have this in the blender, we're going to actually get it powered up and blend it up and turn it into gel. The water is only going up to about 2.5 or so. The rest is just sea moss, and there's still a lot of water in the sea moss, which is why I didn't put that much water in there. All right. I got my tamper out, handy dandy tamper. That's why I like the VITAMIX, just to kind of help me blend it more. Okay, so let's look at it. Now this is a really thick gel, really thick. So this would be good for a mask, hair detangling. It could work for that, and it'd be really good for thickening up soups or stews. But this is how, so far, the Derek product gel is looking after overnight soaking, good washing, and just a little bit of water. Gonna add a little bit more sea moss water in. All right. And now pre-mix it a little, and now let's turn on the blender. Let's see how that's looking. That looks nice. I like this consistency, so I'm gonna leave it here. Next thing we'll do is transfer it into a mason jar. Okay, so we have our sea moss gel. This is the Derek product, sea moss gel. Next I'll do the fruits and roots. Pour that on out. Nice and thick. And that's how I wanted it. It's really pretty. And you can also get a spatula, get the rest out, because we ain't trying to waste anything. I just want to show you with the spoon how this sea moss gel looks. I'm getting some ideas for recipes, maybe some fruit infused. I gave it to my husband and he said it's like pudding. So gave me some ideas. So we'll see what I come up with. You know I'm going to share it with you if I come up with some. This is our Derek product, Gold Sea Moss Gel. This is how it came out looking. Now I have my nice little funnel and I have this big container and I'm going to pour my sea moss water into this and then keep it for all the different uses that there are. There are so many ways you can use the sea moss water. I'm going to get a strainer to strain out the final little particles, just because I do use this like in my hair. But there it is. And this is our sea moss water. I just put the top on and put the date on it. Don't like to use it longer than like 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. You can smell when it starts to deteriorate, but it's the most beneficial right away when it's fresh. Now I'm here with the Fruits and Roots Sea Moss, Gold Sea Moss, soaked overnight, and I'm going to put it into my VITAMIX, make it into a gel, and we're going to compare the gels. I'll go ahead and take these limes out. Set our sea moss water aside so that we can save that. And so this is the Fruits and Roots Sea Moss soaked overnight. This is up to the 3-cup measure on my blender. And now I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. Actually, I did almost to 3. I just made it about even. Put the top on the blender, the tamper, and follow the same steps as before. Go ahead and blend it up just like I did the Derek product Sea Moss. I'll be back with the gel. I just finished blending this Fruits and Roots Sea Moss, and this is how that gel turned out. So it looks pretty good. They look very similar. I'll do a side by side, but I'm happy with this one too. So I'll pour it into this mason jar. Looks like a dessert. And that is the Fruits and Roots. I made a little less of the Fruits and Roots than I did of the Derek, so I'll do a side by side. This is the Fruits and Roots in the smaller container, and this is the Derek product. Very, very similar. Fruits and Roots I made a little thinner. I put a little more liquid in, so Derek's is a little more thick, a little more pudding-like because I did a little less water, but they're almost the same. Fruits and Roots was wild crafted and harvested in Grenada, and Derek product was wild harvested and grown in St. Lucia. These are the 2 Gold Sea Moss gels, and I'm excited to use them. Make sure to watch my video, 20 unique ways to use sea moss, if you want to get some ideas of how you could use the sea moss gel and how to use the sea moss water. And definitely watch my video, how to make alkaline sea moss cheese, because I use this Derek product Gold Sea Moss to make that cheese. It's a really delicious alkaline recipe that is nice vegan cheese substitute. So definitely check that video out. I'll link it in the description box below. I will link to Fruits and Roots website and also to Derek product website below if you'd like to check them both out. And if you're interested in purchasing Derek products Gold Sea Moss, you can use the code GOLD15 to get 15% off your Gold Sea Moss purchase. All of this information will be in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Make sure you go to my website and subscribe to my newsletter so you don't miss the announcement for my upcoming alkaline recipe book and detox transition guide. I've been talking with y'all and listening to what you need, and I'm creating this recipe book and detox transition guide to set you up for success and help those of you looking to transition yourselves and your families into an alkaline lifestyle. To subscribe to the newsletter, all you have to do is go to my website, timothalanae.com, which is linked below, and scroll down and the subscribe prompt will pop up. Enter your email and voila, you are subscribed. If you want to learn more about alkaline living and detox, watch my series Detox Made Easy and my complete Dr. Sebi playlist. And go and binge watch the previous videos in my All Things Sea Moss series, like how I healed my acne scars with sea moss and how to tell real from fake sea moss and how to make you and your kids some sea moss popsicles. Join my Facebook group Alkaline Living and Detox for more meal plan ideas, Q&A, and a community of like-minded individuals. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video if it was helpful for you and you feel like it could help others. I am Timotha Lanae. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.